Abaorokia Abanene BIKORE chigotoka se wadi ya Kitutu Central bunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii ni goritukoria rero barigania umuiga bwo Koumerana ase bakirembu ya mona okobwaterana okuya mabego kwenekia buna GOTANGA bari ebikore BIOGOSAMBWA GW'ECHISUKURU kagokwana nigo bono mokonyi bo county commissioner Kitutu Central ase omoigo oyo okobwatekana oenekia kubwatoka ebiegwa ime yesukuru ya Kiage Tumaini nigo bono abaibori batwara chinga kichia bene na abana babo erio kubasegeta gukora umukia gwetanga kurwa ase ebikore byobosaria muri Kito Frida Kirubo agotumanyia senchero y'ubwikirano
bunenjere yemo yo gusegeta Abaorokiwa gukora umukia na gukinia ebirengo by'ikisemi nigo Abaorokiwa bali bakoretibya asamatemwa amanene a KCSE omwako eta babwatokirwa ebyegwa asensemo ya Kiage Tumaini okwana director Joseph Kiage niga basegeta gukora umukia elio gwekonya amatuko abosio asagokera okobwaterana okuya.
Our concern and major concern is about raising the education standards. Is asking about the future of these young people. What would they be in the future? Where would they be? And we know that in a high school phase or in a school phase, it's a short time that they need to transit. We ask and inspire them to work in a way that they can win the prize. We thank the parents who supported them. We thank the education officers who always come here to support them. We thank their cooperation and we want to appreciate that they have remained disciplined.
Asensemo yaye omo deputy county commissioner o Kitutu Central nigo aboli abaiboli kumulikira buna abana babo bagokoria asensemo y'ekisemi na koira chingaki gokwana na abana babo.
Waangalia performance yao walipokuwa shuleni ilikuwa namna gani. They should do some guidance and counseling. They should listen to their children, and the children should also be open to their parents so that the parents can get mali kuna shida wasaidiane. Most of our parents currently wamepotelea kwa kutafuta pesa, kutafuta jinsi ya maisha, lakini for this holiday let them spare some time with their children.
Chinga kecho boigo nigo abaiboli baboligwa kurigereria ekero abana babo bagotumika chisimi na boigo kubatanga kurwa ase obotumiki bwa mariogo yogotindia.
They should be watchful when they are using their phones. Wahakikishe kuwa watoto wao wana watch movies za aina gani. So parents wa advise watoto wao pia hata kama watakula chakula mahali, watakunywa soda mahali, wahakikishe ni ile ambayo iko sawa.
Asensemo yaye Jared Mbeche nigo airaniriya mbia gucha ase Abaorokia Abanene BIKORE ime sub county ya Kitutu Central asokobwaterana okuya na kwenekia OKOBWATERANA GW'ECHISUKURU chinga keche bikore bunebyo byenekigwa.
I'd like to thank the heads of institutions and the security apparatus that would not experience any banning of our schools as a sub-county and very high levels of discipline and the support that we've got from the parents in as far as academic progress is concerned.
Boigo nigo baenekia okobwaterana okuya na gutinya oburendi elio kwenekia buna etam ya kabere yabere gekoera buya.
Directors, both education and the ministry and TSC, we want to thank you because of the guidance that you gave our runners and our teachers. Madam DCC, thank you for security apparatus that you put in place, which made our sub-county to be very successful in term 2.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.